Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an awesome collection of ice cream decoration ideas specially designed for you. In the world of imagination, these simple sticks hold the power of transform into extraordinary works of art. With a touch of and a sprinkle of magic, let's embark on an enhancing adventure. Each stick is a stalk of imagination contributing to a magical landscape that captivates the eye. These simple sticks have touched the heart of many, igniting the spark of creativity in every soul. So let's your imagination soar and let's the magic of ice cream sticks bring your dreams to life. We make anything with ice cream sticks like hanging material, childish activity, or anything. Oh, make a pencil box with it. Not only are these things. These decoration ideas helpful to your work. Thank you viewers. I will never forget this magical journey. Bye bye.